2016 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, brake assist, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.